Okay, after Hampi, now we have to discuss about the Humayun tomb. As we all know that Mughal people are very famous too for the construction work and for their development. We all know that these people have made a very vast development in our nation in a different way. We can see over here that these people have constructed lots of building. In that, Taj Mahal is there, Red Fort of Agra, Red Fort of Delhi, and Humayun tomb are a main attractive part of their construction. Now here we have to discuss about the Humayun tomb. The tomb of Humayun is located in national capital, our nation capital of India, that is in Delhi. It was best specimen of Mughal dynasty. After the death of Humayun, it was built by his wife Hamida Begum. This was constructed in style of Iranian as well as the Indian style. Hamida Begum, Humayun wife, constructed this Humayun tomb in the Iranian style as well as the Indian style. Some of the special architecture from the Iran as well as from the India, they were constructed this based monument in our India. Red and white stone, red sandstone and white marble were utilized for the construction of Humayun tomb very skillfully. Now next one we have to discuss about the Agra fort. Red Fort of Agra. It is located in city of Uttar Pradesh in Agra. We all know Agra is very famous for their monument, for the food, for the other things, and for the development of industry also. It is known as Red Fort of Agra because it is also made up of with red stone. Why it is in red? We all know because such a fort were constructed in the red sandstone. It was built by Akbar in 1565 AD. Here we can see reflection of Hindu and Iranian style in construction work. A simply thing is given that Hindu people from the India and some of the architecture from the Iran, they were constructed this monument in our India. So we can see the reflection of the two different peoples, two different community, two different religions. We can see over here Iranian people and Hindu people. We found some ayat means जो कुरान में उनके जो मतलब आयत होती है वो भी वहाँ पर उर्दू में लिखी होती है और कुछ हिंदू के जो मतलब की फिगर्स होते हैं वो भी हम यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. 70 feet tall wall and 1.5 meter circumference with the construction skillfully embedded on the wall is such a way that cracks cannot see on it. Architecture style is mixture of Bengal and Gujarat. Gujarati peoples and some Bengali architecture were constructed the style. Jahangir Palace is located in Agra Fort. Shah Jahan has spent his last days in Agra Fort. We all know that this fort is divided into different parts like Jahangir Palace, Shah Jahan Palace is there, right? Aurangzeb Palace is there. Because as we all know that in our house also that we have our own room, our own bedroom. So same as it is here, it is given that Jahangir Palace is there and Shah Jahan has spent their last life in this fort. Now after Fort of Agra, we have to discuss one of the best and one of the most beautiful part of our monument site, that is Taj Mahal, and it is one of the best specimen and one of the best seven wonder of the world we have to discuss over. We all know whenever we are discussing about the seven wonder of the world, suddenly the first name comes over in my mind, that is Taj Mahal. The location of this Taj Mahal is in city of Uttar Pradesh in Agra, on the bank of river Yamuna. We all know Taj Mahal is one of the best specimen architecture things of our India. It is one of the seven wonder of the world. It was constructed in memory of Queen Mumtaz by Mughal king Shah Jahan when his wife Mumtaz died in 1630. We all know Shah Jahan has built this 7 wonder Taj Mahal in memory of his wife when she was died in 1630. Construction of Taj Mahal was started in 1631 AD and completed in 1653 AD after 22 years. It took 22 years for the construction of Taj Mahal. It was started in 1631 and completed in 1653. Shah Jahan used base sculptor artisans from the India, Iran, Arab, Turkey and Europe. India, Iran, Arab, Turkey and Europe. Means Shah Jahan want to construct a best specimen for her wife memory. His wife memory. So here it is given that Ustad Ahmad Lahori and Ustad Isha is the main architecture of this Taj Mahal. So इसके बारे में एक और कहानी है कि लोग बोलते कि शाहजहां ने सबके हाथ काट दिए थे. ऐसी कहानी है, बट in history we are not found such a type of any incident in any book. So might be it is true or not, right? Let us see next point. Taj Mahal is one of the wonder and the best tomb in the world that we all know, because Taj Mahal is considered to be the 7th wonder of the world. Taj Mahal was one of the best tomb in the world because of Mumtaz Mahal. It is in shape of rectangular and grave of Mumtaz Mahal is in center of the Taj Mahal and surrounded by octagonal fence. We all know that is one of the best monument as well as the best tomb in the world because of Mumtaz Mahal. ऐसा बोलते हैं कि मुमताज़ महल दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत औरत थी. So for in her memory, Shah Jahan has made and constructed this one of the best monument in the India. A beautiful line is written on the gravestone. Pious heart are welcome in the garden of paradise. It means pure heart people are always welcome in the garden of heaven. Lots of people are attracted because of its carving and glorified heritage of India. Every year lakhs of people came to here for the visiting of this place. Now next one is given over here, Red Fort. Previously we have discussed about the Red Fort of Agra. Now we have to discuss about the Red Fort of Delhi. Red Fort of Delhi is one of the biggest fort in our India. Red Fort of Delhi is located in Old Delhi, which was built by Mughal ruler Shah Jahan in 1638. It is also known as Red Fort because it is made up of red stone. City with the same was constructed by the Shah Jahan in the same fort. Right? Shah Jahana बाद भी उसको बोलते हैं Shah Jahan. Attraction of this fort is Diwan-e Khas. Diwan-e Khas means the place where the rulers, means the king, their minister and the other peoples were discuss some planning about the development, planning for the war and other things. Diwan-e-Aam, the place where rulers and the common people were discuss their problem, which is the main amalgamation of the gold and सिल्वर विद द प्रीशियस स्टोन. ऐसा बोलते हैं कि दीवाने आम और दीवाने खास की जो दीवारें हैं वो गोल्ड, सिल्वर और प्रीशियस स्टोन से, मतलब कि उसको क्या किया गया था, कार्व्ड किया गया था. सो दिस आर द प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ आवर इंडियन रूलर्स. सम अदर अट्रैक्शन ऑफ द रेड फोर्ट आर रंग महल वी फाउंड ओवर देयर, मिरर पैलेस ऑफ मुमताज, लाहौरी गेट इन मेमोरी ऑफ उस्ताद लाहौरी हु हैज कंस्ट्रक्टेड ताज महल, Meena Bazar and Mughal Garden. These are the one of the main attraction of Red Fort. Peacock Throne are the best example of heritage took by the Nadir Shah with him to Iran. Nadir Shah, the ruler of Iran, who took Peacock Throne. On Feast of Independence Day, our Prime Minister is host of national flag on Red Fort. National flag on Red Fort. Okay, so here we can see that these are the main attraction of Red Fort, like Rang Mahal is there, Virat Palace of Mumtaz is Lahori Gate, Meena Bazaar, Mughal Garden, Peacock Throne. These are the main attraction. Peacock Throne is presently not in our India. It is in yes. So here we can see that Red Fort is one of the best, and now we can found the same Red Fort means the photo on the currency of our India on 500 rupees note. Now after Red Fort we have to discuss another place, that is Fatehpur Sikri.